Hello class. In previous class we learned about numbers name. Today we are going to talk about comparison of numbers. Our topic is comparison of numbers. Page number 8. Okay. We use following, you can say following signs to compare numbers. Okay, we use following signs to compare numbers, which is, this is called greater than. This sides for big, this sides for big numbers, okay, and this sides for small. Okay, this sides for big numbers and this side is for small. Okay, next symbol is smaller than. Here you know this side is for small, okay, and this is for big. Okay, this is for big, which is called smaller than. I use this for okay, this side for small and this sides for big numbers. Okay, next is equal to. This is the sign of equal. Okay, this is called equal to. Okay, these symbols are generally used for comparison of numbers. Here greater than symbol, smaller than and equal to. Okay, now I am going to tell you about different numbers of digits. Here different number of digits. Okay, different number of digits. For example, if question is which is greater in which 30 or 8. Your question is which is greater, कौन सा नंबर है वो जो बड़ा है 30 और 8 में. Okay, this is your question. Here 30 has more numbers of digits than 8. Okay, because of if we see places, 30 have two places, ones and tens, but 8 is only ones place. Tens 30 have no tens place. Okay, then we call this is 2-digit number and this is 1-digit number. Here clearly 30 has more numbers of digits than 8. ओके 30 के पास जो है वो 8 से ज़्यादा अधिक नंबर्स हैं, प्लेसेस भी हैं, देयरफॉर 30 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 8। इसलिए ये क्लियर है कि ये 2 डिजिट नंबर है एंड ये 1 डिजिट नंबर है, दैट्स वाई 30 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 8, ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ प्लेसेस डिजिट्स। नेक्स्ट, if same numbers of digit, which first condition different numbers of digit and second condition is if same numbers of digit. We talk about same numbers of digit, same numbers of digits. Okay, same numbers of digit. Now we see the conditions of same numbers of digit. Here, for example, which is greater 35 or 68? Okay, which is greater 35 or 68? Here you can see these have same places, 68 and 35. Okay, 35 and 65. A number with a greater digit in the tens place is greater than a number with a smaller digit in the tens place. If we see tens places, then greater digit in the tens place is greater than a number with a smaller digit in the tens place. tens place पे जिस tens place पे greater number होगा वही number हमारा क्या होगा, greater होगा. Okay, because of here tens place 3 and here tens place is 6. इस टेंस प्लेस पे 6 है बट इस टेंस प्लेस पे क्या है 3 है, दैट्स वाई 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 3 एंड 3 इज स्मॉलर. ओके, यू कैन वी राइट हियर conditions. A number with a greater digit in the tens place is greater than a number with a smaller digit. In the tens place. Okay, clear? अगर दोनों डिजिट्स में सेम प्लेसेस हो, दोनों डिजिट्स जो हैं वो 2 डिजिट्स नंबर्स हैं, दैट्स वाई ये वंस एंड टेंस आर अवेलेबल. देन वी सी ओनली टेंस प्लेसेस इफ which greater number is number with a greater digit in the tens place is greater than a number with a smaller digit in the tens place. जिस tens place पे greater number होगा वही digit हमारा greater number होगा. ओके, सेकेंड कंडीशन, ये कंडीशन फर्स्ट है एंड सेकेंड we say if digit in the tens place are the same, the number with a greater digit at ones place is greater. अगर टेंस प्लेस दोनों के सेम हो तो हम वंस प्लेस में देखेंगे, वंस प्लेस में जो डिजिट ग्रेटर होगा वही हमारा ग्रेटर नंबर होगा. ओके, इफ द डिजिट इन द टेंस प्लेस are the same, the number with a greater digit at one's place is greater. ओके, इफ टेंस प्लेस, अगर टेंस प्लेस सेम हो हमारा, तो वंस प्लेस पे जो ग्रेटर नंबर होगा वही हमारा क्या होगा, ग्रेटर नंबर होगा, ग्रेटर डिजिट होगा. ओके, लेट्स टेक अ एग्जाम्पल. विच इज ग्रेटर, okay, in which 72 or 79. Here you can see tens and ones, 79 and 72 and 79. Here places are tens place are same. Here tens place are same. 7 are equals. Then we see ones places. What we see? We see ones place. Here 7 and 9, 2 and 9. Here in ones place 2 and 9, which is 9 is greater than 2. Clearly 9 is greater than 2. That's why 79 is greater than 72. Okay, we can write as 79 is greater than 72. Clear? Two conditions are, first condition, अगर वंस टेंस प्लेस पे हमारा जो डिजिट ग्रेटर होगा वही नंबर हमारा ग्रेटर नंबर होगा. लेकिन सेकंड कंडीशन ये कहता है कि अगर टेंस प्लेस पे दोनों सेम डिजिट हों तो हम वंस प्लेस पे देखेंगे जो ग्रेटर नंबर हमारा होगा वही हमारा ग्रेटर नंबर होगा. क्लियर? कंपैरिजन इज कंप्लीटेड. ओके, सो next class we learn about ascending and descending orders. Okay, today class is over.